Before buying a bicycle floor pump with a gauge, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Panoride Advanced Bike Pump. Let's kick things off with the Panoride Advanced Bike Pump. Priced at just $9.99, this one caught my attention for its versatility and bestseller badge. If you want a budget-friendly option that meets various inflation needs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Panoride pump is compatible with both Presta and Schrader valves, making it a universal choice for your bike, baby stroller, or even sports equipment. It boasts a maximum pressure of 120 psi, which means you can inflate your bike tires quickly and efficiently. Plus, it's designed with an ergonomic foot pedestal that gives you stability while pumping. With over 2,800 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, many users rave about its convenience and portability. Now, some people complained about its durability, noting that it felt a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, for the price, it's hard to beat. If you're looking for an occasional pump for light use, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget or need a pump for casual outdoor activities. Skip this one if you plan to use it heavily or need something more robust. For less than $10, it offers great value. Now, if the Panoride's durability bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, TOOLITIN Floor Bike Pump. Next up is the TOOLITIN Floor Bike Pump, coming in at $31.99. This one really stands out with its sleek design and high-pressure capabilities. If you're looking for a pump that combines style and function, this is definitely one to consider. With a maximum pressure of 160 psi, this pump makes it easy to inflate your tires to the optimal pressure without worrying about blowouts. The accurate pressure gauge helps you monitor the air pressure as you pump, ensuring you get it just right. Plus, the included accessory box is a nice touch, keeping everything organized and easy to access. At 4.5 stars from over 4,200 reviews, users appreciate its sturdy build and ability to handle various types of valves. However, some users have mentioned that the base isn't as stable as expected, particularly on uneven ground. But here's the thing, for most users, the enhanced features and convenience make it worth dealing with that slight instability. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable pump for road and mountain biking. Skip this one if you need something ultra-stable for rough terrains. Given its features, it's a solid investment for regular cyclists. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for ease of use. Product number 3, Vibrelli Bike Floor Pump. Now let's talk about the Vibrelli Bike Floor Pump, priced at $33.98. This pump impressed me with its high-pressure performance and included glueless puncture kit. If you want peace of mind on your rides, this is worth a look. This pump can handle up to 160 psi, making it perfect for road bikes. The pressure gauge is large and easy to read, helping you get your tires inflated just right. With over 11,500 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, users love that it comes with a puncture kit, so you're prepared for emergencies. On the downside, a few users found that the gauge accuracy can vary after extended use. But honestly, for the average cyclist, those moments are rare, and the added features definitely outweigh that minor issue. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable pump that doubles as an emergency tool. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-lightweight for racing. For the price, the peace of mind it offers is a great deal. Now, if the Vibrelli's gauge accuracy concerned you, the next product has a stellar reputation for reliability. Product number 4, BV Bicycle Pump. Coming in at $22.99, the BV Bicycle Pump is a solid choice for those who need a reliable, no-frills option. It's compact yet powerful, and if you value convenience, this one might be for you. With a maximum pressure of 160 psi, it's designed to inflate tires quickly and efficiently. Users rave about its lightweight design and comfortable handle, making it an excellent choice for quick inflation. It has a solid 4.5-star rating from over 30,000 reviews, which is impressive. However, some users reported issues with the durability of the plastic components. Here's the thing though, for casual cyclists or those who don't pump tires daily, this is a fantastic option that balances performance with price. Skip this one if you need something designed for heavy daily use. For the price, you're getting a great pump that does the job. Now, if the BV's material quality concerns you, the last product is built for serious durability. Product number 5, Topak Joblo Sport III. Lastly, we have the Topak Joblo Sport III priced at $52.39. This pump is a bit on the higher end, but it's built to last and delivers exceptional performance. If you're a serious cyclist, this one is definitely worth considering. It boasts a maximum pressure of 160 psi and features a durable steel barrel for stability during inflation. The universal twin-head DX5 pump head fits all valve types, making it incredibly versatile. With a 4.7-star rating and 5,500 reviews, users consistently mention its build quality and ease of use. However, the price point can be a turnoff for some. Here's the thing, if you're serious about cycling and need a pump that will withstand the test of time, the investment is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a frequent cyclist or just value quality over cost. Skip this one if you're just looking for a casual pump for occasional use. For the durability and performance it offers, it's a solid investment. So to recap, the Panoride offers affordability, the TOOLITIN brings style and functionality, the Vibrelli includes emergency tools, the BV is lightweight and convenient, and the Topak is built for durability. No matter your needs, there's a pump here for you.